watching Yak in Texas, a kayak fishing talk show.
There we go, fish on. Yep. Oh, it's on bottom with gulp. There we go. Going to gulp. Nice speck. Jig head. That's an industry standard for me. What I'm talking about. There we go. What's happening, Yak in Texas? This time, what am I doing? I'm throwing a chartreuse gulp, Mr. Twister tail, on a 1/4 ounce jig head. I tend to fish into the wind. Every time I'm fishing, I go into the wind. That way, when I'm tired and done at the end of the day, I can just drift fish home. Just throw and glide right back to the truck. I'm kind of doing the same thing with this jig. I put my nose into the wind, moving up into this channel. This channel's about 7 feet deep. What I'm trying to say here for all the wind is that I've got my nose into the wind, I'm casting out, and then I'm letting the wind blow me back and I'm bumping the jig on the bottom. Then I move forward again. I picked up 3 or 4 specks doing this so far this afternoon, and I hope to grab some more. But as the wind's pushing me down the channel, that grub is dragging on the bottom, and then I jump it up and let it fall, jump it up and let it fall. And it's just easier to pull the grub with the wind than if I was throwing that way and the boat was being pushed toward my jig. It's a lot tougher. I got to reel faster. So I just keep doing paddling up, throwing, drifting, jigging, paddling up, throwing, drifting, jigging. I'm Ty. We'll catch y'all next time right here on Yak in Texas.
Ty's signature 30 miles out gear is in. Check it out at 30milesout.com.